Chinky Drawing Arts! Today we're drawing something tiny, cheesy, and also squeaky. It's a mouse with a cheese slice! Grab your black marker and let's get started on this fantastic adventure. Let's begin with the outline. Don't worry, just follow along with me step by step. Draw the first shape. Now, at this curve here. Great job! You're doing amazing! Who knew drawing could be this much fun, huh? Now, let's finish the rest of the shapes and details. Take your time, little artist. We're not in a race. There you go! Our outline is ready! Now comes the fun part. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and bright. Use your marker and trace slowly. Steady hands and proud hearts. It's coloring time! Are you ready to bring your art to life?
Red like apples, blue like sky, green like grass.
Gray color, like a cloudy sky or a sleepy elephant.
Color time, draw with me.
You must
Sun
try
and
this.
moon and buzz and bee, dots and dashes, line by line. Chinky makes it super fine. Draw a fishy in the sea, then a flower or a tree. Color up from toe to top. We won't stop. Flip, flop, hop. Up and down, side to side.
Wow,
Chinky's
look how
colors make
cool
you
your
so
drawing
bright.
looks
Draw
already.
your dreams and draw your heart. You're the star of every art. Color time, yay, hooray. We make
Nice.
art in every way.
Subscribe to Chinky Drawing Arts for more fun and easy drawings. Slow and smooth. Yellow color, so sunny and happy. Ooh, look at those colors shine! It's looking better than ever! And you did it! Just look at your drawing! It's bright, it's bold, and it's beautiful! Just like you! Give yourself a high five! You worked so hard, and it totally shows! Before we go, don't forget to share your artwork with someone you love, make them smile today, and hit that thumbs up if you had fun drawing with me. See you soon, little